Hello, dear friends. Today I'll show you how to make a charming paper rose. You will need red, a 4 paper, green, a 4 paper, hot glue, rubber band, scissors, pencil, glue stick, cotton swab, ruler. Making the petals. Take the paper and mark 6 centimeters, then 10 centimeters. Draw lines and cut them out. Repeat 6 times to get 6 rectangles. Fold each rectangle lengthwise in half. Fold all 4 corners to the center line. Fold the top and bottom edges to the center. Fold the whole piece in half. Make 6 pieces total, pair them up and fold in half. Secure with a rubber band or string in the center. Unfold them in opposite directions. Opening the bloom. Gently pull the petals toward the center. Spread them clockwise. Repeat for the second layer of petals. Curl the edges outward using a cotton swab. Making sepals and stem. Take green paper and mark 15 centimeters on each side. Draw and cut. From leftover paper, cut a 5 by 5 centimeter square. Roll the 15 by 15 centimeter square into a tube using the swab. Glue the edge to fix it. Trim the ends. Cut 3 slits at one end and spread. It becomes a holder. Use hot glue to attach the flower to the stem. Take the small green square, fold in half, and cut out a leaf shape. Make a hole in the center, unfold, and curl the tips. Glue to the flower. Your craft is ready. Like, subscribe, and share your ideas. Wishing you all creative success.